Hello and welcome to Northern Valley Demarest. My name is Michaela Studio. I am a student enrolled under the Bergen Tech program for IADT Interactive Design. Students from all across Bergen County are eligible to apply to the IADT program where you'll be learning Photoshop, After Effects, Adobe Illustrator, much more under UX and UI design. Northern Valley offers a variety of different world languages for anyone to choose from, such as Latin, Spanish, French, Italian, and much more. There's also a variety of different clubs to choose from, such as culinary, even to biomed. You can join theater and much more. I'm very excited for you guys to learn more about the UX and UI program and the technologies you get to use, such as Oculus for the VR studio, new iPads and new MacBooks, which can all help you with your UX and UI journey. Let's go take a look inside.
Right now we're in the IADT classroom where you can find us studying UX and UI design. Last year we worked on brand logos and mobile apps. This year, however, we're working on apartment 3D design and the VR Oculus experience. You can find us using just things as Adobe Illustrator and Photoshop, as well as After Effects and much more.
Here at Northern Valley Demarest, we offer a multiple range of sports. Currently in the fall, we're offering sports such as soccer and football. Clubs and activities include the marching band, jazz ensemble, art club, and gardening club. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you next year.